Scene. A father and his son are sitting on the balcony, watching the sunset, as the father decides to teach his son some new English idioms. Son, Dad, I love learning idioms. Can you teach me some new ones today? Father, of course. Idioms make language more fun and expressive. Let's start with, throw in the towel. Son, that sounds interesting. What does it mean? Father, it means to give up or admit defeat. In boxing, when a fighter's coach thinks they can't continue, they throw a towel into the ring to stop the fight. Son, oh, so if I stop trying to solve a difficult math problem, I'm throwing in the towel. Father, exactly. But it's always better to keep trying. Now, here's another one, under the weather. Son, does it mean standing under the rain? Father, haha, not quite. It means feeling sick or unwell. If someone says, I can't come to school today, I'm under the weather, it means they're not feeling well. Son, oh, I'll use that next time I have a cold. What's next? Father, next is, let the cat out of the bag. Son, that sounds funny. Does it mean releasing a cat? Father, not really. It means accidentally revealing a secret. Imagine someone hiding a cat in a bag as a surprise, but it escapes before the surprise is revealed. That's how the idiom started. Son, oh. So if I tell my friend about his surprise birthday party by mistake, I've let the cat out of the bag. Father, exactly. Here's another one, hit the sack. Son, does it mean hitting a sack with something? Father, no, it means to go to bed or sleep. Long ago, mattresses were filled with sacks of straw, so hitting the sack meant lying down to sleep. Son, oh, so if I say, I'm really tired, I'm going to hit the sack, it means I'm going to sleep. Father, that's right. Now, here's a tricky one, cost an arm and a leg. Son, whoa. That sounds serious. Does it mean losing body parts? Father, haha, no. It means something is very expensive. If someone says, that phone costs an arm and a leg, they mean it's really costly. Son, oh, like when I saw that new gaming console's price. That definitely costs an arm and a leg. Father, exactly. Now, let's try, bite off more than you can chew. Son, does it mean eating too much food at once? Father, sort of. But it actually means taking on more responsibility than you can handle. If you agree to do too many things at once and struggle to complete them, you've bitten off more than you can chew. Son, oh, like when I promised to do 3 school projects at the same time and got overwhelmed. Father, yes. It's always important to know your limits. Next, we have, the ball is in your court. Son, does it mean playing a sport? Father, not exactly. It means it's your turn to take action. Imagine playing tennis. When the ball is in your court, you have to decide what to do next. Son, oh, so if my teacher gives me 2 days to decide on my project topic, the ball is in my court. Father, perfect example. Now, here's break a leg. Son, what? That doesn't sound good. Father, it actually means good luck. It comes from the theater, where actors used to wish each other break a leg instead of saying good luck, because saying good luck was believed to bring bad luck. Son, that's funny. So if my friend has a soccer match, I can say, break a leg instead of good luck. Father, yes. Just don't say it too seriously, or they might get worried. Finally, here's the last one, kick the bucket. Son, does it mean literally kicking a bucket? Father, no, it's a humorous way of saying someone has passed away. It's often used jokingly, like, if I eat too much junk food, I might kick the bucket early. Son, that's a strange way to say it. But I get it. Father, great. You learned 10 new idioms today. Try to use them in daily conversations, and soon they'll become natural to you. Son, thanks, Dad. Learning idioms is so much fun. Father, you're welcome. Keep practicing, and you'll sound like a native speaker in no time.